Secretary Panelo, a lawyer of note, said, kung may problema ang franchise ng Misatel, di maghanap tayo ng ibang franchise. I think that's the solution, one of the solutions that Malacanang is looking.
Sir, and you agree to it, sir?
Sorry?
And you agree to it, sir?
Well,
Hanap ka lang.
Kung talagang hindi makakita ng solution dito, there is a choice that Malacanang has suggested.
Sir, with the issues raised by
Sorry,
Senator,
one by one. No?
Sir, with the issues raised by Senator Recto, national security considerations, we considered waiting
Of course, that is a policy issue which has to be considered.
in deciding whether to the franchise or open up.
Well, that will be part of the factors that will be considered because precisely Congress is a policy-making body, and this policy would find its way in the law. When we say this is the policy, we translate the policy in the law.